stretch it well. Inflate and leave a 6-finger tail. Tip: repeatedly soften it to avoid popping. Twist a 10-finger bubble. Twist to 1-finger bubbles. Wrap the longer segments around once between the 2 bubbles. This creates a double pinch twist. A 4-finger bubble. Twist a 1-finger bubble as small as possible. A 4-finger bubble. Wrap it around the double pinch twist. Pull the small bubble outward and twist to form a pinch twist. Fold the remaining parts in half, dividing it into 2 equal sections. Wrap the middle section around the pinch twist. Wrap the tail end around the double pinch twist. Insert the pinch twist between the 2 4-finger bubbles. Adjust the shape.